Hey everyone, John here for Out of This World Models and Minis. First off, thanks for taking a look at the channel. I hope you enjoy and like the videos you decide to watch. I wanted to redo this intro for two reasons. One, I absolutely hate the original, and two, I was able to feature projects that I've completed since starting out. On this channel you'll be able to watch videos of scale models and miniatures for both sci-fi and fantasy. I'll try to upload new content as much as I can, but my work schedule is pretty fierce, so I'll do my best. My projects may never win any awards, but I hope that I can provide some tips, tricks, and maybe a little light entertainment along the way. We'll see. You'll see projects from Star Wars, Star Trek, Doctor Who, Warhammer 40k, and D&D, just to name a few. I'll always try to provide information on the materials and paint that I'm using, and if it's a 3D print, I'll include links to the file and/or a completed version to purchase. So please, like, comment, subscribe, and share the content. You can even buy me a coffee on the homepage to help support my work. Thanks again, and happy viewing.